This is an analysis of blood work for a female age 30. If you look at the red blood cell analysis section, you'll see that the values for these markers indicate that the anemia is highly likely, a microcytic hypochromic anemia based on the MCV and MCHC, and nutrient insufficiency is a likely root cause because of the high RDW. But if you look at the possible root causes here, we'll see that the pattern for the iron panel markers down here indicate that there is an iron insufficiency. There's decreased iron in the blood, the amount of transferrin saturated with iron is low, and the amount of ferritin is low, and the capacity to bind iron on transferrin is high. So that indicates an iron insufficiency, which indicates this pattern of iron insufficiency. But there's other patterns here that indicate a stomach acid insufficiency, and stomach acid insufficiency is a possible root cause of iron insufficiency, because if you look over here in the Insights tab under the stomach acid insufficiency section, we explain here that an adequate amount of stomach acid is needed to break down protein which contains iron. Therefore, stomach acid insufficiency leads to poor absorption of iron, resulting in an iron insufficiency. Also here, you'll see that there's a zinc insufficiency, and zinc insufficiency could possibly be causing the stomach acid insufficiency. Well, you'll see here, these are the markers and the patterns used that indicate a stomach acid insufficiency. If you look down here under zinc insufficiency, we're using alkaline phosphatase. In this case, there's a low alkaline phosphatase, and alkaline phosphatase is a zinc-containing enzyme, and if ALP is decreased, zinc insufficiency is likely, and zinc is necessary for the production of stomach acid. Also, there's an acute infection here. If you look down here, you'll see the white blood cells are greater than optimal, even greater than lab, 9.5, and that indicates an acute infection. Also, an acute infection can cause a zinc insufficiency because you need zinc in the immune system. This pattern works its way up. If you have an acute infection, that could be causing a zinc insufficiency, and the zinc insufficiency could be causing the stomach acid insufficiency, and the stomach acid insufficiency could be causing the iron insufficiency. So all of these automated patterns help you figure out the possible root cause of this iron insufficiency may be a zinc insufficiency caused by acute infection.